Hi everybody, we're showing you how to go from this to this. Stick around, I'm going to show you how to make some easy pickles. You think they're complicated, you need to buy them at the store, think again, you can make them at home. We're making some red onion pickles and we're going to make some delicious radish pickles. Here, stick around, let me show you how it's made. For this recipe, we're going to use 1 cup of hot water and 1.5 cups of white vinegar. Now, the water doesn't have to be boiling, but it should be hot tap water. Now we're going to do 1.5 cups of white vinegar. 2 teaspoons of salt and 4 teaspoons of white sugar. It doesn't have to be exact either. It should be pretty close though. Okay, now we're going to let this sit for a minute and we're going to cut up our onions. Now, the garlic is optional. You could either use the jarlic or you could use the garlic paste. We're going to use a little bit of each one. Only need a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of the paste too. That should do it. A quick spin so we can get all of our stuff dissolved. And remember, that was hot water. We'll dump all of our stuff in here. There we go. See this, friends? In about as little as an hour, this is going to be delicious pickled red onion and a little bit of pickled radish. Here, stick around. We're going to show you the reveal. Just put it in. It's already starting to change color. This is going to be so good, you guys. Here, check back in an hour. We're going to show you what it looks like. All right, it's been about an hour. Come check out this color change. Beautiful. All right, friends, that's all you really need to do. You just gotta get a little bit of water, vinegar, sugar, salt. That's about it. We're gonna put these in our jar and save them for next time. Check this out. Beautiful, delicious radish. Not bad. Not bad at all. These will be good for about 3 to 4 weeks. 4 weeks is pushing it a little bit, but it'll probably be fine. Way cheaper than buying them at the store. Don't waste any of this delicious brine. Oh yeah, beautiful. There you go. There you go, friends. Delicious pickles right at home. No need to buy them from the store. There, thanks for watching. Follow and subscribe.